Nestled in the foothills of South Mountain lies the Phoenix community of Ahwatukee. Shopping, dining, entertainment, and numerous outdoor activities are the trademarks of this exclusive area. And now with the new Loop 202 South Mountain Freeway, the entire Phoenix metro area is at your disposal. Backing up to one of the picturesque foothills is this extremely rare and unique property that includes two individual full-size lots totaling 23,000 square feet, with an existing 3,600 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. Only your imagination limits this property. Use the lot to build a custom home or a guest house, store your toys, or create the ultimate outdoor space to complement the existing home. Well maintained with established trees, this property is a paradise in the desert. Entering the home, you're greeted by a large foyer with soaring ceilings and windows with views of your foothill. The formal living and dining areas are separated by a freestanding, double-sided fireplace that takes the ambiance to the next level in those cooler months of the year. To the left, you'll find the master suite. Separate from all the other bedrooms, this is a perfect sanctuary for even the most discerning homeowner. The sitting area or office is separated from the main bedroom by another double-sided fireplace. Whether you're looking for the warmth of the fire or setting a romantic mood, your master suite is sure to be a wonderful retreat. The sprawling master bathroom and closet features 2 sinks, a separate shower and bathtub, a throne room with a custom integrated bidet, and all the storage you could ever need. Located down the hall from the master suite, you'll find the guest half bath, laundry room, and 3-car garage with freshly finished floor and new built-in cabinets for storing all your tools and sporting goods. Across the foyer on the main level, you'll find 2 guest bedrooms with a shared full bath. Head up the stairs and you'll be greeted by a loft with tons of built-in storage, perfect for a kid's hangout area, craft room, or man cave. Just off the loft is the 3rd full bath and 1 more bedroom, this one with a sizable walk-in closet. Heading back downstairs, we enter the kitchen equipped with a separate cooktop and wall oven, eat-in dining, and an attached family room with a 3rd fireplace. Here you'll find even more windows that show off that amazing view. The back patio is fully paved by travertine stone, right up to your pool, with a beach-like entry perfect for relaxing in the pool without being submerged. Hang out in the hot tub and watch the sky colors change during one of the many gorgeous sunsets the Arizona sky loves to produce. A built-in barbecue and bar area are perfect for entertaining during our long grilling season. The amenities don't end at the house. The community of Mountain Park Ranch has multiple community pools, tennis courts, walking and biking paths, and parks available for residents. It'll be a while before you run out of things to do. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, call me right now at 602-697-5688. Looking for other available homes? Go to jeremypoehls.com to start your search today.